Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. Please take the time to have a look at my website. And please join our Facebook. Please. Right, okay, so what am I looking at? A Sharkoon Bulldozer today. Just arrived on the market. And it comes in three colours, either red, blue or green. So, looking from the front, no idea at all why it's called a bulldozer, other than bulldozers kind of big and strong perhaps. And this is not so much a big case, but a wide case. To give you an idea, if you look at the back of that, compared with a more standard case, hopefully you'll be able to see that it's wider. Why is it wider? Well, because a lot of you like to put in tall CPU coolers and find they've got a problem. Whereas with the bulldozer, you're not going to have that problem. So it's an interesting case. As you can probably see, there's a green motherboard tray, green expansion slots, green LED fan there, and down the bottom here there's another green LED fan, and these two LEDs light up in green. Now if it was a blue case, there'd be blue, and of course again if it's a red, there'd all be red, along with your red rear expansion plates and your red motherboard tray. So that's kind of neat really, isn't it? So what else can I say? Okay, so from the front here we've got two USB 3s, two USB 2s, front audio port. You've got these bays here. The top two can be used for 5.25 devices, optical drive. And your optical drives just push in and click, like so. Pretty simple, eh? Now looking at the top, you can see that you've got room for either 120 or 140mm fans. So that would be looking pretty. Let me just lie this down. There we go. So that would look good if you put a couple of green fans in there as well. Hopefully see you've got meshed bottoms here. Power supply goes at the bottom. Now, if you've got a long video card, if you've got the money for a long video card, then the distance from here to here, in my head, is going to definitely see anything that's out on the market. However, if they bring out something a bit longer, you can just remove this section here, giving you even further space to the front of the case. Don't think you'll need it, but hey. Now this section here, if you don't need this extra space, is where you can fit 4 SSD drives. And this section here, I believe you can fit 3 standard hard drives and an SSD drive at the bottom. Motherboard wise, you're going to be able to use a standard ATX, a micro ATX, and the standoffs are set up even for an ITX. Just stand it back up. So it's quite a strongish case. It's not over expensive, so you know, value for money, I think it's okay. Sharkoon, the maker, not particularly well known, I don't believe, but perhaps more well known in Europe. You can see that your cables here coming down go underneath your motherboard tray, and so you can hide cables and keep things nice and tidy. And there's this gap between the tray and the side panel, so if you've got an under the motherboard plate for a high cooler, that's going to be okay as well. So, well, it's colourful, isn't it? And it's definitely going to fit everything in that you need, I guess. Got a couple of wide water cooling pipe holes there. Oh, side panel. I didn't mention the side panel. There it is. It's got plastic on it at the moment, but remove that, then you would be able to see through it and see your green motherboard tray and your components. So, oh, hang on a second. Yes, here we go. There is this 5.25 to exposed 3.5 inch bracket if you want to put a card reader in, for instance. There's the things that you put on the side of your hard drive, so they can just slide in nice and easy there, click into place. There's a beeper speaker thing, black screws, and a few cable ties. Oh, and some instructions. So, okay, that's it then. I think Sharkoon Bulldozer. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to go to the website and join our Facebook. Thanks very much.